Welcome to Kenobi Academy, Indoor Farming. Introduction to Indoor Farming Module. Photosynthesis and Photoperiods. In a previous module we learned that plants need 6 things to survive: air, light, water, nutrients, heat, and space to grow. Light is essential for plants, so let's find out more about how plants use light and how much they need. Photosynthesis means creation by light, and it is the process by which plants use light energy to create the compounds they need to grow. Photosynthesis is the main means of energy production for plants and is composed of a series of chemical reactions. These reactions are divided into 2 phases: the light or photochemical phase, and the dark or purely chemical phase. The light phase occurs during the day, or when the lights in the growing area are on. This is when energy is absorbed by the plants. At night, or when the lights in the growing areas are off, chemical reactions occur in the plant cells which produce carbohydrates. Carbohydrates serve as food to enable the plant to grow. So now we know that plants need periods of light and periods of darkness to grow properly. Those periods of light and darkness are called photoperiods, and different types of plants need different photoperiods. For example, some plants and flowers bloom early in the spring, while others bloom later in the summer. In the fall, as the days grow shorter, some plants go dormant for the winter, while others, such as evergreen trees in northern climates, or banana tree in southern climates, are less affected by the change in the seasons. Climate, temperature and humidity can also make a difference. For example, the same plant may require 12 hours of sunlight when grown in a northern location, but only 10 hours of sunlight in a more southern location. In nature, the seasons of the year and the length of each day control the photoperiod. In indoor farming, we gain the ability to select a photoperiod to suit our crops regardless of outdoor climate. Generally, in an indoor farming environment, maximum vegetative growth, leaves and roots, requires about 18 hours of light and 6 hours of darkness, while flowering and fruiting requires equal 12-hour periods of light and darkness. However, we must still remember that various species of plants have different requirements for optimum growth. We group these plants into categories: short-day plants, long-day plants, and neutral-day plants. Short-day plants require more than 12 hours of darkness to flower. Examples of short-day plants are some species of strawberries, chrysanthemum, onion, marigold, dahlia, and tobacco. Long-day plants bloom when the light period lasts longer than the critical photoperiod, more than 12 hours of light. Examples of long-day plants are cabbage, spinach, lettuce, hibiscus, radish, beet, and petunia. Neutral-day plants flowering does not depend on a photoperiod. Examples of neutral-day plants are tomatoes, cucumber, some species of strawberries, and begonia. Kenobi's monitoring and automation, through artificial lights and temperature control, create the ideal environment for the development of plants, giving them the exact amount of light they need at each stage of their development.